Teen mom 2's Kailyn Lowry says she wants one more kid and she's building her family on her own terms. It's not easy to become a mom before you've even reached adulthood, but when reality TV cameras are there to capture all the highs and lows, it usually means dealing with plenty of public criticism. And while she may have become an even bigger magnet for backlash after having 2 more children with 2 different partners, teen mom 2's Kailyn Lowry says she wants one more kid, according to E!News. This time though, she's not exactly interested in looking for another co-parent. It's been 8 years now since Lowry gave birth to her son, Isaac, with her boyfriend Joe Rivera, and now she's also mom to 4-year-old Lincoln, with ex-husband Javi Mariquin, and 9-month-old Lux, with Chris Lopez, according to People. In other words, Lowry has her hands full, but in an interview with her Teen Mom 2 co-star, Chelsea Houska, for her podcast, Coffee Convos with Kailyn Lowry and Lindsay Chrisley, the 26-year-old admitted that she didn't quite feel that her family was complete. Lowry told Houska, who has also been upfront about her desire for a large family with her husband Cole DeBoer, that she still wanted to have another baby, according to E!News, and joked that when Houska and DeBoer were ready to have another baby as well, she'd go to the sperm bank so that they could get pregnant together at the same time. Given that Houska is actually currently pregnant with her 3rd child, it's safe to say that they likely won't be sharing any joint pregnancy announcements with the world anytime soon. But while Lowry doesn't necessarily appear to be entirely ready to start the process of getting pregnant through insemination, she did reveal that she had at least begun looking into it. Though the idea of being a single mom of 4 kids might seem daunting, for Lowry, it seems like a much preferable option than trying to find a stable relationship. In an interview with Radar Online, Lowry explained that the struggles she's faced with men in the past have brought her to a point where, while she does still want to have more children, she's more than happy raising them without a man. Asked about her desire to have more children, Lowry, of course, is well aware that not everyone is supportive of her choice. On her podcast, she said that, even though people might think it's crazy that she would want more kids when she has 3 kids by 3 people, the truth is that she's just not done yet. And honestly, whether or not you agree with her choice, it's admirable.